Hello people, here's the solution video for the week review. I'll go through this pretty quick because you all should know how to do this. Do it well. Alright, a bottle rocket is launched at 73 degrees above the horizontal and is airborne for 8 seconds. How high does it go? So like that. 73 degrees and RT total equals 8 seconds. So RT to reach our maximum height is equal to 4 seconds RT 1/2. All right, how high does it go? Well, we can do it by solving for this. We have this equation. We have an A and we have a time, 4 seconds, and we'll get the maximum height. Which means our XF is equal to 1/2 9.8 times 4 squared. XF equals 4.9 times 4 squared equals 78.4 meters. What is the initial launch velocity? If it reaches that high in that amount of time, then we can say our A is equal to delta V over delta T. We know our final velocity is 0 at that. So V equals 0. So we can say our A, which is 9.8, times 10, or no, excuse me, times 8. 4, gosh, is equal to V. 9.8 times 4 equals, V is equal to 39.2, but that's our V in the vertical. That's our initial V in the vertical. All right, so how do we find it right here? Coming straight out of the rocket, we just do sine of 73 is equal to 39.2 over hypotenuse, since we're looking for our hypotenuse. And we'll just do 39.2 divided by sine 73. And we get our initial velocity is equal to 40.99 or 41 meters per second. And we'll just go with that. It's way too close to 41 meters per second. How far from the launch pad does it land? Let's do this. We'll say 41 times cosine of 73, because we want to take our initial velocity right here and bring it into the x. The x velocity experiences no acceleration. It is constant. So that means our x velocity is 11.99 meters per second, and do that in 8 seconds. We get a total distance of 95.9 meters. Next question, object has a mass of 44 kilograms. What is its weight? Weight equals mg. Weight equals 44 times 9.8. Weight equals, whoops, typed that in wrong. 44 times 9.8. Weight equals 431.2 newtons. Normal force, it's the exact same as the weight. That's what it is. That's the definition. What is the force used to move a 33 kilogram box at 2.22 meters per second squared? F equals ma. F equals 33 times 2.22. F equals 73.3 newtons. And lastly, what is the force needed to move an 18 kilogram box with a mu s, so a static coefficient of friction of 0.35. We know that our Fs needs to be less than or equal to our mu s times the Fn. Let's find our Fn first. Our Fn is equal to the weight, which is equal to 18 times 9.8. So that's equal to 176.4. And we're going to multiply this by 0.35 to get 61.74. So that right there is your answer.